Open Whispers channel. When the people keep murmuring, it means something is wrong. They keep talking in whispers. The ears are blocked. The rich man does not cry as it seems. But once the secret whispers becomes louder and louder and louder, it turns into open whispers. Even the deaf becomes a rebel. The servant removes his mask and boldly speaks to the king. The king should know that his time is up. When a whisper becomes louder and louder and louder, it becomes open whispers. Like a thunder, it strikes. The tyrant knows that his time is up. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, share the video, and always come back to the arena. Thank you. Now, the election held in Nigeria. The people's voice became loud and clear, louder and louder. What happened? INEC, the electoral umpire that were supposed to be independent, became one of the candidates in the Nigerian February 25th general election. They declared Bola Ahmed TINUBU the winner of the election against the wishes of the people. The whole world know the truth. And they know that Bola Ahmed TINUBU did not win the election. They also know that the election was rigged, marked by the kind of violence, irregularities that have never taken place since independence of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And this is what the world say about it.
Also have placed sanctions on some of the military officials. What does this all mean then for the ECOWAS region?
It's quite unstable right now. And unfortunately, you have the chair currently, it's Nigeria, and the president of Nigeria. You know, he's also facing a lot of pressure in his country in terms of how the election panned out in terms of the results. Some questioning the credibility of the elections. He's issued a strong statement yesterday, but already when you read the reaction to that statement, people were already saying, you yourself, you are not legitimate. And therefore, this time around, ECOWAS is not as strong as the ECOWAS that we are used to. You'd recall when there were challenges in the region previously, they were quick to react and to respond. And there was that credibility because those who were speaking at that time, who were leading the regional body, had credibility. But right now, it's on a very shaky ground.
The Presidential Election Petition Tribunal will decide whether it will allow a person with forged certificates and criminal conviction to be the president against the Constitution. If the tribunal fails to disqualify Ahmed TINUBU, despite clear evidence of forgeries and criminal conviction, and disregards the Constitution, it destroys public integrity in Nigeria. The evidence before the tribunal is clear that a U.S. court convicted Bola TINUBU of drug offense and ordered him to forfeit a huge sum as fine. He also presented a fake certificate to INEC. The Constitution disqualifies from public office anyone convicted of a crime or who presents a fake certificate because these crimes undermine public integrity. Since 1999...
Which way would the tribunal go? Will they be on the side of the people? Or will they be on the side of the elites who have held Nigerians to ransom for a long period of time? Is there a hope for a new Nigeria? All eyes on the judiciary. This seems to be the last battle for the soul of Nigeria between the corrupt elites and the ordinary people who have continued to bear the burden of criminality of the elites.
Criminal conviction. It must heed the advice of the Supreme Court in Saleh versus ABBA, that the courts must actively fight certificate forgery and should never allow anyone who presented a fake certificate to contest election in any public office.
Like we say all the time, be well, do good work, and please keep in touch. This is Open Whispers. Thank you.